Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA has pulled back into the resistance area we identified in the last video for this wave 4 here. Well, it's actually not only been identified in the last video. I think we had that resistance area highlighted in red on the chart for a while now. And we waited for it to get back into it again, which it did. It actually maxed it out now. And I highlighted to you that I can really, well, I will mainly see this as a wave 4 pullback as long as we are holding below 3.47 cents. As you can see, we did not manage to do a sustained break above that level. Instead, we actually got quite a strong rejection, which looks a bit like a bear flag. So from that point of view, I'm currently still looking for one more low. But of course, price action from yesterday, we shouldn't ignore it. Okay, and it could very well be that we have bottomed here on Monday. That's the same situation for Bitcoin, Ethereum. It's a possible trend reversal, which is happening at the moment, but it's not crystal clear if it's going to work out or not. So we need a bit more patience and just need to try to do the work and try to understand the key levels here that are relevant in terms of, okay, have we bottomed or not? What is important? Let's just dive into the higher level count first, which you will know about because that hasn't changed at all. The idea is that we rallied in a wave 1 into the January highs. We then came down in an ABC correction in a wave W, rallied in an X wave, and we're now coming down in a Y wave. Here there are two options. If we bottomed already, then the Y wave consists of a W, X, Y structure as well, and we finished here with 3 waves down. But that's an imperfect correction, that's not great, and I'm not a fan of WXY structures, therefore I don't trust them when they bottom early. So, well, the WXY wouldn't bottom early, the WXY would have bottomed, but because the standard pattern is the ABC, and you're normally looking for an ABC as a standard, if it doesn't create the 5 waves down in the C wave, which is the other pattern, A, B, C, with 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it doesn't do the 5th wave, I want to see extended confirmation that we really have bottomed, because I have seen too many fake outs in the past. Okay, so we also came into the trend reversal area. So that's the area where reactions are expected, trend reversals are expected. And we talked about that ideally, GALA doesn't break below the 2.5 cent level, which is the 78.6 retracement, because any drop below that, which is sustainable, or any sustained drop below that level, will challenge the overall bullish outlook that we still have on this chart, that we're coming down in a wave 2 correction and should then rally in a 3rd wave later. So we did hold that level so far. So from that point of view, looking at the bigger picture, we can still hold our overall bullish outlook here, but we'll have to step by step change it below 2.5 cents. So that hasn't changed. If we turn around now, that would in fact be very much in line with a high level outlook. So understanding this structure here, it at the moment is a 3-wave move. Yeah. So it looks like an ABC structure to me, or a WXY actually. Yeah. No, ABC is fine. So we'd be looking at this move up as an A wave, the move down as a B wave, and the move up as a C wave. Okay. So that's possible. Or actually looking at it, it looks more like a WXY. Yeah, it looks more like a WXY. So would be a 3-wave move in a wave W, 3-wave move in an X wave, and then here and then in the Y wave an A, B, C. So this is sort of where it could be. No, I got confused now. 1 second. AB. No, 1 second. This would need to be the Y wave. Yeah. W. Yeah. WXY. Let me just change that. And here also WXY. Yeah. So we have a WXY in the Y wave. So basically 3 waves in the Y wave, which is fine, which is okay, valid, and seems to be like that. However, the top would need to be in now. Yeah. So to maintain the idea that this is a wave 4, it shouldn't really go any higher, because a wave 4 should not break above the 3.46 cent level in this case, not above the 50% retracement. What happens if we do go higher? If we do go higher, then I would need to look at the entire move as a leading diagonal. Yeah, and we would have to say, okay, we bottomed already. We bottomed already. The move up here would be in 3 waves. That would be a wave. Oh, let me just take this actually. This would need to be a wave 1. This would need to be a wave 2. ABC in 1, ABC in 2. This would need to be WXY in 3. Here now, maybe another low. Yeah, A, B, C in 4. And then A, B, C in 5. And when we get these 5 waves up, then we are looking for the first deeper pull. That would be a wave 1. And then we can wait for the first deeper pullback in a wave 2. And that would then give us clarity. Yeah. So unfortunately, also here, very corrective price action. As long as we stay below resistance, in my opinion, another low is preferred. But it's a very similar situation to Bitcoin, where we can say, okay, maybe we bottomed already, because we already turned around in our trend reversal area. Very bullish price action yesterday. But then again, we got rejected quite strongly. So I think the only way to make this work to the upside would be as a diagonal pattern. Okay. Now, what are the relevant levels actually? So we have 2 relevant levels, in my opinion. Probably the very first relevant level is here the A wave low at 3.57. Let me just check that. The A wave low at 3.59 cents. Yeah. We had support before in this level here on the 2nd of March. We had support here on the 6th of March. We had support here 15th of March. We had support here 27th of March. And then when we broke below that level, we really fell. Okay, so I think that is quite a relevant level. And then we've got that wave 1 low, which again would be further confirmation if we break above that at 3.86 cents, because then officially the wave 4 would be invalidated. Yeah. So I think these are quite important levels to the upside, that if broken would give more confidence that we have bottomed already and that something more bullish is going on. This at the moment is certainly the time to watch, because here is where a possible trend reversal is occurring. The wave 4 is starting to get stronger than it would be ideal, but it's not as strong or not so strong that we can really confirm we have bottomed. Okay, that's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.